question. This is our midpoint, okay, center of this circle. So this would be our diameter that will bisect this triangle into two equal portions. So semicircle triangle, that would be a right triangle. This angle already known as right. So from 180, interior angle sum of a triangle is 180. No, 180 minus 90, 90. So the remaining 90 would be the sum of these two angles. So 4x plus x, 5x equals to 90 degrees. 90 degrees. The remaining 90 that was splitted into x and 4x as well. So to find x, you should divide 90 by 5. That will give you the magnitude of x as 18 degrees. For the second question, okay, this is our midpoint now. So this would be a diameter, half circle, angle, triangle. Okay, so half circle triangle would be a right triangle. It's 90 degrees. So if it's x, according to isosceles triangle, this one also would be x as well. X and x both are x. So x plus x, 90 degrees. So x would be 90 divided by 2, that is 45 degrees. X will be equals to 45 degrees. Then for the next one, look at this triangle here. This would be 90 degrees. Why? Because that is the half circle triangle. That would be a right triangle. So this would be a right triangle. Another angle is given as 60 degrees. So 90 plus 60, 150 minus from 180, when you subtract, this angle would be 30 degrees. Then another thing, look at the total triangle. This is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal, no? According to the data, you can find these two sides are equal with each other. So if this angle is 30 degrees, this angle also would be 30 degrees again. 30, 30, 60. 120, 180 minus 60, 120. 120. So x plus 60, this total angle would be 120. X plus 60 equals to 120. Why? Isosceles triangle. So 30, 30, 60. 180 minus 60, 120. X plus 60 equals to 120. So x would be 120 minus 60. That is again 60 as well. 60 as well. Then third one, if this one is x, this one also would be x according to our previous chord theorem. There is a chord that will create two triangles on the same segment, okay, on the same segment of the circle. So these two angles are equal. X, x. Then look at this in here. This is a midpoint. So midpoint means that line is a diameter. So half circle angle, half circle triangle, right triangle. It's 90. 90 plus 50, 140. According to this light blue triangle's interior angle sum, 180 minus 90 plus 50, 140. That will give you x as 40 degrees. X would be equals to 40 degrees. That's how we can find the magnitude of x. Magnitude of x. Here, this is 90. This one also 90. 90, 90. And this is a quadrilateral. Here you can see this is a quadrilateral. Now, in quadrilateral, usually we know in triangle the interior angle sum 180. Likewise, for a quadrilateral, interior angle sum would be 360. So x plus 110 plus 90 plus 90. Okay, I'll write x plus 110 plus 90 plus 90. The opposite angles are 180. So 180 plus 180. Sorry. X plus 110 plus 180, that's equals to 360 degrees. So when we solve this, x would be equals to 360 minus 180 plus 110, 290. That will give you x as 70 degrees. 70 degrees. Here we are using quadrilaterals interior angles 360. If you know the cyclic quadrilateral theorem, you can use that one also. Otherwise, all these angles sum would be 360. So from 360, we subtracted 90, 90, 110, 290. That will give you x as 30 degrees, 70 degrees.